now we're starting to walk here. Yeah, we are now just walking around in Newcastle, and later on we are going back to Nelson Bay. As usual, they are still doing the construction of the tram, but you know, it's cleaner than before. Hey guys, good afternoon. Yeah, I just finished my duty. It was 2:41 when I signed out. Yeah, it was raining this morning. That's why I'm wearing this. Yeah, there was no rain, but still it looks like it's going to rain. And now I am cooking my lunch or dinner. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I'm going to eat rice. I have this. Yeah, I have egg and a tuna. This tuna is made in Thailand. Yeah, 99 cents. I'm also cooking rice here. Yeah, this video finished now is a little bit emotional this time. Yeah, I would like, yeah, I'm eating, still eating, but I will show you later. So basically I changed the setup of my apartment, of this room. Yeah, basically this table was there and the chair was there, and I was actually looking on the house that side. Yeah, and I don't want that because I feel like I'm looking at the windows of the other house. And you can see this chair. This is an office chair. I bought it from Facebook Marketplace. Facebook. It was $80, but they give me just $60. This is actually coming from the beauty shop in Salamander Shopping Center. Yeah. And yeah, this is the setup of my new working place. This is where I sit, working table, and from here I can see outside, the trees outside. nice view. And here I put here all my, yeah, the charger, the tripod, the lights, camera, charger, everything. Yeah, this is my bag. All the camera related to camera. And also this thing, if you remember this thing, I bought this. I built it. Yeah, for the things that I, because you know, I have always like this one in this room. So yeah, like this. This is not supposed to be here. This is supposed to be hanging in here. Yeah, like that. Because of course, these things like that, we wear it like 3-4 times because it's always inside. Yeah, and this one. If you remember this is actually the bed. I pulled it. I set it like upside down. Oh no, what's that? But upside, yeah. And it's like a table now. But it's not really good. I just put it that way, so it will be so that I have a space here. Yeah, not the best because you know I'm not interior designer. Also, I am just fixing what is in here, and I don't want to buy things for the decoration because I'm not permanent here. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, I just want to show you to that. I just want to show you that. Okay, we'll go back to it and we'll keep on watching finish snow. Hey guys, good afternoon. Yeah, again, finished the duty and another week is gone, and today is the beginning of my day of tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, and the day after will be my days off. 3 days off, mate. Yeah, actually one of them is Lieu day. Nice, but I don't have plan like before. No plan, so I don't know where are we going, and you know, I don't know exactly where this Lieu days comes from. Yeah, maybe this is from the duty that I did. I mean, when I'm extending my duty, that maybe is the one, or maybe when I am when there is a public holiday. Good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Good. Yeah, when I'm on a public holiday, maybe, or yeah, my extra hours. Yeah, it's been 3 weeks now. I mean 4 weeks that I have 3 days off. So 4 days of those are Lieu days. Nice. Because you know, here in Australia, according to the law, that a person can work if it's full-time 38 hours. That's the regular hours of work. Yeah, it means that like 8 hours a day, and then 2 days off in a week. That is how it works. Sorry. Good afternoon. Yeah, that is how it works. And if you compare that to other country, in other country, particularly in the Philippines, in Dubai, an employee can work full-time but just 1 day off. Only those people who are working in the office gets the 2 days off. Yeah, here in Australia is good. Here in Australia is good. 2 days off. As long as you are working full-time, you get 2 days off. But you know, because you know, there are some casual, there are some part-timers, so they are working per hour. I mean, they are paid per hour. Wow, too much birds. A flock of birds. Let's have a look. Those bikers, they are going up. Yeah, we're going to see how they are going to climb up there with just ordinary bike. Yeah. For sure they need to exert too much force. Oh, they are cleaning. Yeah, they made it. Wow, ordinary bike, but it's expensive. Yeah, I lost the cyclist. I don't know where are they now. Yeah, they run very quick, very fast. This is the weather today. Nice. Yesterday was raining. I don't know if that is enough to at least ease the drought that is happening in the country. Yeah, I hope that it helps somehow. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, we're in the grocery because I'm going to buy a laundry soap. Yeah, for the whole week I need to wash my laundry, and it is here. I've shown you already some of this before. And we're also going to take one oatmeal. This one, this is $2.55. And you know, of all the Australian something sweet that I really like, this is my favorite, the Lamington fingers. Yeah, this is $2.50. And I'm going to take one. I always have this when I was in Sydney. Yeah, this is delicious, man.